My husband is like really into buying golf shirts right now, but there's like no more room in our closet. So when he comes home with like 5 more golf shirts, I'm like, I mean, I want him to have anything he wants in life, to make him happy and to feel good and to feel so cute because he's so cute. But I'm like, where are we going to put all of this? This is the majority of his bulky winter items. So I put him in this tub. As you can see, it's not even closing. And a nice tree asked if we would like to try these storage bags, and I've never in my life used these. So yeah, let's see what happens. We have small, medium, and large. Okay, so we have like a puffy vest. We have these fleece. Fleece are so cute, but they take up so much space. Okay, 3 are in here. It has these black things, so I use this to seal it, I guess. So slide it back and forth 2 or 3 times. Oh, wow. It's tiny. Okay, it says take this off. I guess that's pretty good. All we can do is keep going and see what happens. Okay, let's put some more. This is another fleece. These aren't as thick. Some cute jackets. Almost there. I do love how tiny this is. There we go. There we go. And put the lid back on. One more of Nick's. Let's try to file them like this. Okay, it does close better, but I think I permanently bowed this from it being out in the shed and the clothes being too big. So this did save room. I think I broke it. Should have gotten these bags before I shoved all that stuff in here.